the color lovers, all the makeup lovers, and all the nature lovers. Yeah, I'm getting ready for the day, and I found a special corner in my patio today for my everyday makeup routine. You must have seen today's theme. As you all know, I'm a nature lover and I find my colors in nature. When I find something eye-catching, I can't wait to get started with my makeup, and I just start searching for those colors in my own makeup collection and do something creative, something unique, something one of a kind, something surprising and special to me. That's what makeup means to me. It excites me that I can use the same eyeshadow every single day but create something different, something unique, and something special. How about you? Are you checking for these colors in your makeup collection? Well, I encourage that all the time, because for me it's like, if I am making a happy purchase when it comes to makeup, cosmetics, I like to use that over and over again, because that gives me absolute satisfaction. It's like, listening to a nice music, watching a film which is very nice, and reading a nice book, or watching something nice on Netflix. Yeah, so I can watch it over and over again, and the more I use the makeup I love, the better I feel about it. So that's the reason I stick to very few palettes, and I try to create different looks with those palettes, and I encourage my viewers to do that, because I want you to make use of your makeup purchases. Today I'm taking dark green, yellow, and purple to create this look, and all the colors are shimmery, but that's the way I want it today. Well, if you are interested in knowing what products I'm using today, I have already mentioned it in the description box, so you can go through it and check for the products there. But I still encourage you to go for your own makeup collection, check for the shades. If you want to create a similar kind of look I'm going to create today, that way, it gets interesting, always interesting. Well, my makeup basket. This spot just felt right to me, and I just want to sit outside, enjoy the sunshine, and do my makeup today. Yeah, it's a little noisy here, but I don't mind it. So the base is ready. Very few products. I use very few products and very few palettes on an everyday basis. And if you check the description box, you will see that every single day maybe I'm using the same palette, but I'm creating something different out of it, and that gives me a satisfaction. Yeah, look at that shine. I love that shine, and it is pretty amazing, right? We all have similar kinds of shades, colors in our own makeup collection, but still when we use it, we all come up with different looks, and that is something very amazing and surprising to me, that yeah, maybe 3 or 4 shades, but sometimes I go from light to dark, sometimes I go dark to light, sometimes I just sheer one color out, and it gives me a pretty nice hue on my eyelids. So very amazing experience with makeup. Alright, there are few steps that's staple in my makeup routine, and if you are watching my channel, if you have gone through that eyebrow makeup tutorial, I'm sure you know that I love to focus on my eyebrows a lot. Eyebrows are done pretty quick. Shall we go ahead with the makeup look first? Using my ring finger, I'm starting with my darkest green today. Concentrating on the outer corner and bringing the color towards my inner corner. It's pretty nice to sit here outside. It's a nice sunny spot. People are going here and there, and the green is on. Next I'm going to take my purple, concentrating on the center part of my lid, overlapping that green. This is the palette that I make the most use of. I mean, whenever I'm in a mood to do something with my shimmers, I always gravitate towards this palette. So, and I get my satisfaction, you know, using this beautiful palette, creating something different every single day. I mean, I appreciate my makeup purchase. Now I'm taking that beautiful yellow and concentrating on the inner corner of my eye. Just dabbing it there. There you go. Just brightens up. How convenient and quick. Look at that. Okay. And the remaining color. How about doing that? Well, I love my colors, you all know. And colors make me very happy. Being creative with those colors, that's what I'm passionate about. Now using my small smudge brush, this time a little pinpointed effect here. Yeah, now I'm going to add, you know, a liquid eyeliner, a pencil eyeliner, and some mascara, and that would be my finished look. Pretty quick, pretty easy, pretty shimmery, and absolutely awesome, stunning. So I'll be right back after doing all those steps. You know what? Today I thought of using my pencil liner all over my lower lash line and all over my upper lash line. This is my eye contour brush, and I'm just trying to smudge that pencil liner a little with the overall look. Alright. And now I'm going to take that purple again because I love that purple, that shimmery purple. And I'm going to take that shimmery purple down here along with my lower lash line, and I'm going to connect it with the eyeshadow which is on my crease. I love a good purple eyeshadow. And a little bit green along with that upper lash line liner. That's it. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a couple of coats of mascara. Very gently and very carefully. Well, that's how I'm going to wear these 3 shadows on my lids. Let me know about your experience with these colors if you choose to play with these colors today or some other day. Oh, the whole process of makeup and the whole process of playing with lovely colors, I love it. Well, I thought of applying a dark lip color with this look. Yeah, that's my finished look and I'm pretty happy with my colors. Now it's your turn to play with these colors and create something beautiful, unique and special to you. And you all know that you are welcome to Soma's Makeup Diary to watch fun makeup tutorials every single day. And I'll be right here with another theme, another color scheme, something unique, something stunning as always. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to rock this look today. Now, bye. Have fun playing with your makeup collection and playing with your favorite colors. Okay, see you soon.